Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how you can remove pop-ups and redirectors in the Opera web browser really quickly. So let us dive into this. So guys, in the first step, open the Opera web browser. And what you want to do here on your home screen is click on that Opera logo icon in the very top left corner, customize and control Opera. So click on it. After that, select settings from that drop-down menu or use the shortcut Alt-P for that. And inside your browser settings, guys, head over to privacy and security here to the left, and inside your privacy and security sections, scroll down a bit till you get to site settings, click on it, and inside your site settings, scroll down again till you get to the content section here, and below you will see a feature called pop-ups and redirects. So simply click on it or use the arrow right icon here. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply make sure that this option here, don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects, is turned on so that these pop-ups and redirectors are blocked by your Opera browser. Well, it should be on default. However, guys, if you accidentally gave websites you visit the permission to send you pop-ups and to use redirects, you will have the opportunity to block these pop-ups and redirects really quickly and easily by disallowing these sites to send you these pop-ups and redirects. Alternatively, guys, you may set custom rules below. For instance, if you'd like to give specific websites or sites the permission to send you these pop-ups, but it's totally up to you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.